words that was spoken from someone. You might be telling someone that you are hurting because you are feeling ignored or feeling backstabbed or maaring natatakot ka na maulit sa'yo yung mga nangyari sa'yo in the past. So I can see projections here with the 10 of Swords. In the recent past, you might be overthinking a lot about a situation regarding a person. You might be thinking a lot because this person might be ignoring you or you feel like hindi ka nila nire-replyan. Ang tagal-tagal bago mag-reply nitong tao na to. Or parang feeling mo, scene mode ka lang, tapos wala namang communication. That's why you feel like this person will betray you or nai-imagine mo na yung mga bagay-bagay kahit wala pa naman. Because this is your energy based on my cards. And that's why you feel like you needed to take control of the situation. You wanted to speak with honesty, with love, with empathy. And there's an intention here to understand what's going on instead of makipag-usap ka sa person na to na parang nakikipag-away ka. You know, mas mahalaga sa'yo yung person na to kaysa awayin mo siya. So now, what else do you need to know? With the Ace of Wands, I think may idea ka na naisip regarding a matter. This could be you trying to understand with a different perspective na lahat naman ng bagay ay may dadaan sa maayos na pag-uusap. Because you feel like hindi sapat ang passion, ang intimacy, ang super nakakakilig na usapan from this person noong mga nakaraang buwan or nung mga recent past lang, no? You feel like hindi na masyadong exciting yung nangyayari. It's all because you feel that na-outgrown mo na yung other version of your relationship. I mean, yung old version ng relationship ninyo is na-outgrown mo na. And that's why you feel like mas gugustuhin mong maging in control ka sa situation or kung mas magiging in control yung tao na kakonekta mo based on my cards, no? I can see that you wanted to communicate with honesty to address kung ano ba yung nangyayari or bakit ba biglang in-ignore ka nitong tao na to, biglang hindi nagre-reply. So I can see here with the Knight of Swords and the Three of Cups, no, that talagang pinush mo na kausapin itong tao na to so that you can address what is hurting you before it hurts the relationship, before it creates resentment. Di ba? And I think because of you being open-minded and hindi ka rin naman naging padalos-dalos sa mga sinasabi mo, bagkus mas naging honest ka with the Knight of Swords, so I feel ko dito, mas mukhang maayos ninyo ang connection ninyong dalawa. I can see forward movement in the future. I can see a more stable relationship dahil madadaan naman lahat sa pag-uusap. With the Two of Pentacles, I can see that this person is really working hard. Mukhang ang dami ring nangyayari sa buhay ninyong dalawa, for the both of you. Mukhang mapag-uusapan ninyo ng tao na to na medyo nagiging busy lang siya kung bakit hindi siya nagre-reply or medyo ng mga nakaraan bakit nai-ignore ka niya. Ang dami nangyayari sa buhay nitong person na to. With number 2, 2 of Pentacles, may new chapter na nangyayari sa buhay ng person na to or ng bawat isa. And I think the universe wants you to understand what's really going on, to have the open mind, to have an open heart na talagang maintindihan bago mag-react muna, 'di ba? At malaking bagay yung healing words na gagamitin mo sa partner mo. I can see that this person, they will try their best na magkaroon ng sapat na oras para sa iyo, to communicate with you, but at the same time they're also asking for your understanding na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon when they ignore you, it means they are backstabbing you or niloloko ka nila. Hindi lahat ng tao na makikilala mo in this lifetime is katulad ng mga ex-relationship mo. This person, pinakita yung the Emperor card kanina, which means this person, they know what they're doing, they know what they're saying. This person is matured enough. And I think mukhang akala mo, basta-basta tong tao na to, and mukhang may mga naisip kang mali dito sa tao na to. Mukhang baka na ikaw ang naka-backstab dito sa person na to kasi baka in your mind kung ano-ano mga iniisip mo about this person. But this person, I think, is different. We have here the Death card. This person, they've been through a lot in their life, death and rebirth. And I think you're teaching this person na baguhin, no? Yung mga nakasanayan niya dati. Like, they want you to understand na importante sa'yo yung communication. And so, mukhang this person is really willing to cooperate with you with the Death card. Papatayin ang dating nakagawian, nakasanayan. Kung noon hindi niya kaya may pag-communicate openly, mukhang babaguhin itong tao na to yung characteristic na yun para sa'yo. And mukhang sa'yo din. You really need to heal yourself at baguhin yung perspective mo sa mga bagay-bagay if you really want this relationship to work out. So ito yung mga nakita ko lahat sa tarot cards mo and I hope naka-resonate ka. Bye!